Well, hey, how do I manage three YouTube channels? My college, my studies, my workout, my life, my family, all together in less time. See, the point is there are two kind of people. And the people I'm talking about are the people who are working, who are grinding, who want to improve their life. One kind, they want to achieve the result in the shortest amount of time, but they're not ready to put enough work into it. They're grinding, they're working, alright, that's pretty good. They're ahead of a lot of people who are lazy. But they don't have the resilience, they don't have the patience. Take example YouTube, posted a video. I really get views. Like see my channel, 50, 24, 8, 10. And my other channel, I posted for a whole year, I still got only 800 subscribers. 260 plus posts. How? Determination, resilience. And I learned from it a lot. Then I opened one more channel and it grew rapidly. Within 55 videos, it crossed 1k subscribers. And now this is my main channel. So how does this work? Why didn't I stop? The first criteria of people, they are working, but they are not determined. They are working for a reason, alright, but they lack the courage, they lack the determination. The second kind of people, they want to keep on going. They don't care what they are going through, they neglect the suffering, they are grinding. And so am I. See, everyone has setbacks in their life. I went through depression, my 3 years were wasted, I changed 15 schools within 12 years of the school time from 1 to class 12. There were a lot of setbacks. But the point is, we learn from that. The reason I don't mind these things is because I'm strong enough. I know very well. I'm extremely confident, very strong, very resilient. There is no doubt about that. The point is, you have to put the work. You have to enjoy the process. I'm enjoying this process. I will record this, I will edit it, I will post it. It's fun for me. The result doesn't matter. Whether it's few views, whether it's more views. The more the merrier, obviously. But the process is definitely very fun. See, the simple point is, you have to enjoy what you are doing. Passion is literally nothing. You have to be passionate, you have to know things. If you are passionate, you will get to it. That doesn't really work. If you're passionate, you will work into that. That's very true. But if you are working for the thing that you want to work for, you should have a goal in your mind. See, my goal is simple. I want to help people grow in their life. Why? I suffered a lot. I know what it feels like to stay at the bottom while everywhere is ahead of you. My health was deteriorated. I suffered from asthma when I was just 2 years old. I was on ICU bed. So my health was literally deteriorated to the worst bottom of my life during that time. For 11 years, I went through that asthma period. I used to be on nebulization of Levoline and Budakart machines. The machine you put, that kind of machine. It's been a long time. And my hands were literally like stick. Like this much. Literally this much. They were very thin. I had no energy. Nothing. My life was literally like of a weakling. I had no pride. Then I got into gaming, masturbation. I destroyed my whole life basically. Until I realized that what am I doing with it? What am I doing with it? Now it's been 3 years and I've changed a lot. No Instagram, no gaming, no porn, nothing. The mind is free, the time is free, the quality is free. See, basically you have to chisel away the pain, chisel away the energy draining things in your life. What is that? You have to find it. For some people it's just social media. For some it's gaming. For some it's literally nothing. They don't want to work. Let's leave them behind. You should know what you want to do in life. Life is very short, my friend. You will regret not doing, not starting today. See, I was reluctant to come on camera and speak for a long time. For a whole year, I just made faceless videos. I was like, alright, this would work. I always wanted to record myself, but I would dilly-dally and say this will work. And I used to do something else. And I wasted a lot of time. Struggle do come in life. I'm recording it. Now I will rush and do my work. Same goes for you. See, there are few points every person who wants a peace of mind while grinding and working need to follow. First one, express gratitude. Have gratitude towards your life, to your people, to your close ones, to everyone near you. Gratitude is the most important thing. Literally. See, it's pretty simple. I'm very thankful to you for watching my video. I'm expressing my gratitude. On the other hand, if I say this, oh, why are you even sitting here and watching this video? Get lost. Two different things, two different paths. Get into the family. If your mother or your father, let's say, your mother says to you, "You're a very sweet child, my dear. Thank you." On the other hand, your mother says this, "Why were you even born, you rascal? Get lost." These two different words impact you a lot, right? What you hear, what you speak, gives the frequency to the world, the universe. This frequency vibrates and ultimately stimulates you. That's how your life is decided. That's how you become who you are right now. Start saying this before sleep, whole day. I'm thankful to this life. I'm thankful to myself for being there. I'm strong, I'm powerful, I'm grateful. Build an image of yourself in your mind. If you start thanking God, universe, your world around you for everything, like even if you don't want to. I didn't wanted to do it earlier. Around 3 years ago, I didn't wanted to do it at all. I used to curse everyone. I used to say bad about everyone. My thought was literally negative. It was during my time of depression. It was hell, man. My body used to ache. My mind was always tensed. My relations were literally bad. Either way, I had no friend. The point was, I changed my thoughts. I swapped it. I started speaking good about myself, about my people, about my family, about the things around me. And that's how things change. Express gratitude for even small things or big things. If you're thankful, you will feel positive. See, there is a thing, na? You don't need money to be happy. People say that, right? Poor people are also happy. It's just gratitude. They're thankful to their life. Money does buy happiness, that's true. To a certain extent, it can give you a comfortable life. And the second point is you have to be confident. You have to achieve victories in life. If you don't achieve victories in life, you have no way of knowing how successful you are, how great you are, how good you are. No victories, no conclusion, no determination, nothing. What have you achieved in life? If you have nothing to back you up, how will you stay strong? A lawyer, a policeman is confident in their job because they know the force is backing them up. The law is backing them up. What about you? What are your victories? What is backing you up so that you are confident that yes, I am good? Achieve victories, man. Finally, the last thing I will simply say is live your life. You need to enjoy every small moment. You never know when you might die. I literally came back from suicide. I tried to die 6 times. And I am still here. And I'm loving every moment because of it. When you experience death, you know how valuable life is. Now, it doesn't mean you need to go and experience that. Please don't do that. I'm not saying that at all. Start enjoying small moments. If you're expressing gratitude, you will start being happy. If you're confident in yourself, you will be more happier. If you're not achieving your potential, that's why you feel this kind of sadness and pain in you. Just start achieving those victories. And with this, you can easily manage any kind of thing. That's how I'm able to manage these 3 channels, my work and everything. It's rigorous. It's fun. And I will keep on doing it. Because I won't stop. Because I know who I am and what I can do. Be confident in yourself. I trust you can also do it. Cheers.